Hi guys, Rachel here, and we have my friend
Jaden.
I said okay, no, but we're gonna be doing a sugar rush look, and I'm so excited.
And we're, I mean, mostly her, but we're literally on a sugar rush while we're doing this.
Yeah, we have the candy. We've been eating a shit ton, and I've been burping, which you guys will see at the end of the video. So if you guys aren't ready, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Please join the fam. We already have 21 subscribers, which is like literally amazing as fuck. So without further ado, let's get started.
Your thing. You do most of the commentary because I don't know what I'm doing. I know I do makeup, but I don't do professional makeup, so I don't know like the correct brushes. I shouldn't be doing commentary. Now we're gonna take this little roundabout brush. We're gonna put it in the
I'm gonna do my brows.
Noise. I can't use liquid foundation because it makes me break out instantly. Like within 5 minutes, I'm breaking out when I wear liquid.
Speaking of liquid foundations, I'm having a Milani review, guys, going up before this one. It's so good. Like, it's not really focusing, but it's literally, that's all I've been using. You guys should definitely, like, let us know what we should do next and what video we should do together. Like, I gave her the tartlet, the tart shape tape.
The camera's not.
It's being a bit. But yeah, guys, last night was Halloween. Which depending on when this goes up, it might be like a few days. But it was lit as fudge. You guys should check out my Insta post. I was Cheryl Blossom. You know, at Cheryl Bombshell. Do you watch Riverdale?
No. I saw a lot of Riverdale costumes at Party City though.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm really liking my brow.
I have a pretty consistent makeup routine. Not too consistently.
Guys, my friend Jade's she's on a varsity cheer. This is an amazing brush for the brows.
I'm not comfortable with using gel. There's a freaking bug.
There is. Decided I'm gonna be saving up for a phone.
Okay. I mean, that's fine.
On iPhone, because then I can get into Apple.
Mm-hmm.
Like iMovie.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But you can actually kind of see them in the camera now.
Yay!
Because like they're usually invisible. I do use setting spray like after I do my makeup, but that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Pencil.
Oh yeah, so since we're doing like a sugar rush candy inspired look, I'm going with this pink shade just to like add it as a new transition.
They started selling Christmas decorations on October 20th.
Same.
The 20th, Rachel. Like, it wasn't even Halloween yet, and there were Christmas trees.
It's crazy as shit.
She's a lot better at making color pop. And I broke out too because of Halloween.
I got black contacts. I want to insert a picture, guys, of my Halloween look, but I have black contacts because I was Cheryl Blossom, so she has dark eyes. With this one.
Does it normally do that? Are we both doing the same color palette? Because mine's going to be crazy as fuck, Sugar Rush.
Yeah. Just blend, blend, blend. I need to like move my mirror.
It's one
Oh, wait,
eye.
wait, sorry.
Wait, how did it?
Oh shit. Ooh, I'm gonna cut all the way over here, but like instead of going all the way out, I'm gonna have the wing. Oh, yeah! Like, I'm gonna have it where the wing, like, touches the cut crease. Or the cut crease touches the wing.
Ooh.
I'm gonna put too much. Battery's dying again! Okay, we have to hurry. So, guys, I just packed some more color on and added purple on the outside.
Ooh, this is really nice. You know, I mean, we probably don't need to record this. We're pitch quiet. Are you done?
So guys, I just gotta blend my foundation off camera. Look at this, like, honey. I really want to show you guys the foundation, but the camera's gonna die, and yeah. So we'll be right back. We were just talking, guys. The scissors. Oh, but guys, I did my foundation. I'm just bronzing up the skin. If you guys want my foundation routine, let me know, but I did my face in my last video, but today, instead of the Hourglass, I used the Milani concealer.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, yes, bitch. Guys, it looks so good.
Settle.
I don't need too much contour.
I'm just like slapping.
Guys, look at this lighting. Jade. Oh my god, guys, it's dying. But
It's dying! Help!
look at this highlight, bitch.
Look at this.
Before it dies, show you that amazing highlight. This is a good highlight.
I know. It's gonna die, but we will show the results at some point, some way. Sorry,
Yeah.
we forgot a battery.
But guys, these are the eyes. Okay guys, I'm using this MAC Nicki Minaj lip, and I'm going to go in with this lip gloss just in case it cuts out. Look at what I did, guys. I did some brow bone pink in the inner corners in case you guys want to recreate the look. We have to connect with them.
Remember just those beauty queens?
Yeah. My voice was different.
There's a dog in here. I hope you know that, Rachel. My eyebrows are invisible. Sorry, there's a bug. I didn't even eat one talkie.
I ate a whole bag.
What did I call her? I called her a cunt.
Oh god.
She's hated me since.
Oh my god.
Eat all the Kit Kats.
There's only one left.
For Halloween, I was a possessed doll. My eyelashes were so big that I had to wear my glasses down here. Because every time I went to blink when they're up here, they would get caught in my lenses and I'd have to push them down like that and be like...
Oh god. Also, I wasn't in the mood for M&M's last night, but I am now.
I would commit homicide for some apple cider right now.
Yeah! Is that it?
Yes. You left a non-eaten open bag of M&M's in there. Or maybe it was me, I don't know. No, it wasn't. I don't do foundation, I do powder foundation. Did you say that the Studio Fix stuff made you break out? The stuff?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I take it then? Or do you still use it? Even though it makes you break out?
I actually haven't used it.
She's thinking.